Now let's look at the Amazon listing page in more detail. The Amazon listing page is divided up to a number of sections which we shall now consider in turn. The first thing you will see a listing in title. This is a maximum of 200 characters. It should describe the product being sold for the purpose of this session, and we should be looking at the magic monkey teething toy, and here is the title at the top. Images are in many ways the most important part of the listening. An image must be minimum of 500 times 500 pixel or 1000 pixel by 1000 pixel to enable zoom. Variation refer to the ability to buy multiple type of the product from the same page. So for example, clicking on the variation will enable you to buy different or to see different sizes or the different color. On this page here, you have got a variation both in the term of size, style and color. And you will notice if you click on the color, that title changes at the top, and it will also change the offer available here on the right hand side. The bullet points appear under the variation, and there should be some short description feature of the products. Here they are. There are five of them are here on the right hand side. The listing is the office for that product. The feature offer is the offer that Amazon has chosen to be the most prominent offer for that product, and one that the customer will and their basket if they click buy. Now becoming this feature offer is known as the winning the buy box, and here as in common, the feature offer is delivered by Amazon themselves. Down here you will see the other offers available on that product, and then there is a four other offer available on that product we should be discussing within the baby boss later on this course. The description for a product is the further down, and it is a free test field. It is often ignored by sellers. And here you can see that they have given a very short description. E plus content is a rich content which is submitted by the brand owner, and here you can see it says from the manufacturer, and their content areas here with images they have added text. Additional details are the attributes of the product such as the makeup of the product, the color of the product, care instruction, etc. And these can be seen further up the listening customer who buy the product to have the opportunities to leave a review. And you can see here the star rating of the product, and this one is one that 5193 star rating. And you can see here where customer have submitted details of the product, they also submitted the photo. 87% of the people have left a 5-star reviews. Now we will be discussing the search performance of the product later in this course, but how many reviews and the quality of the reviews does feed into the search performance of the product. Questions and answers. These are the basic where customer ask question about product and either manufacturer or other customer have answered them. Here we go. There a list of question here, and finally there is a search term field in the back end of the Amazon. This actually isn't seen from the front end, but it allows the seller to add additional search term which can be used to help performance in the Amazon search.